Greetings, fellow wolves. Today we're venturing into the untamed beast DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. Just as wolves roam free in the wilderness, DeFi lets us navigate financial waters without relying on traditional banks or centralized institutions. DeFi is like a vast space where financial activities happen without any central authority. Picture this. Instead of trusting a bank to hold your money, you keep it in a digital wallet. When you want to lend, borrow, or trade, you interact with protocols, the wolves of the blockchain world, which execute your commands. You're in control, and the pack is always running with you, not against you. DeFi platforms use decentralized applications, or dApps, to offer services like lending, borrowing, and trading. These dApps run on blockchains like Ethereum, allowing wolves like us to trade assets, earn interest, and even insure ourselves, all without traditional banks. What should you know about DeFi Pack? First, freedom. No more banks or middlemen, it's just you and the open trail. You can lend, borrow, or trade assets whenever you want. Second, transparency. In DeFi, all transactions are visible on the blockchain, ensuring that every wolf plays fair. Third, accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned wolf or a new pup, DeFi welcomes everyone. All you need is a digital wallet to start. But remember that even the bravest wolves must tread carefully. DeFi is still the Wild West of finance, and with great freedom comes great risk. Smart contracts, while powerful, are only as reliable as their code. Mistakes or vulnerabilities can lead to losses. It's like falling into a hidden trap. Additionally, the value of assets in DeFi can be as shifty as a pack on the hunt. Prices can swing wildly, and the market can turn against you in an instant. Always be prepared and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Let's look at what we learned today, Wolf. DeFi is a cutting-edge financial technology that is changing the landscape in an effort to break down the barriers set up by traditional banks. It gets rid of fees and advocates peer-to-peer transactions where wolves deal directly with wolves. But beware, wolves. DeFi is still a young pup in the cryptosphere, much like the blockchain and cryptocurrencies it thrives on. It has a long way to go before it can overtake the existing financial system, which is entangled in its own complexities. And don't think the big beasts, financial companies and banks, will give up easily. They will dig into the blockchain ecosystem like a bone to hold onto their territories. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.